In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're presenting data for a class project, a business report, or just organizing your personal finances, being able to format your cells correctly can make all the difference in clarity and presentation. So, let's dive right in and start with the basics. First off, you'll want to begin by opening up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one already prepared, now is the perfect time to set it up. Simply log on to your Google account, navigate to Google Sheets, and open an existing document or create a new one. Once you have your sheet up on the screen, you're ready for the next step. Now, to start with formatting, you'll want to highlight all the cells you plan on using. Click and drag across the cells you intend to format. When selecting, make sure you've covered all the necessary cells to build a visible, organized layout for your data. Highlighting helps streamline the process as any changes you apply will affect all the selected cells simultaneously. Once you've highlighted your cells, you'll notice a toolbar above your sheet. Now, click on the borders icon. This button will help you outline the cells so they stand out and look organized. After you click Borders, a small panel with different line options will appear. You should select the All Borders option. This selection places a border around each cell, clearly defining them and making your spreadsheet more readable. Next, if there's a specific section of your sheet that represents, let's say, headings or important categories, you might want to make them pop. For this, we'll apply bold formatting to those specific cells. Let's say it's cells B2 through E2. Click on these cells to highlight them. Again, look up at the toolbar, find and click on the B icon to apply bold formatting. Notice how the bold style helps those headings stand out. To further enhance the visual appeal and distinction of these headings, consider adding a fill color. With cells B2 to E2 still selected, go up to the fill color icon in the toolbar, which looks like a paint bucket. Click it, and a palette of colors will appear. Choose a color that matches your style and theme. Once applied, this fills the background of those cells, creating a defined section and making it eye-catching. And finally, a handy tool you may find useful is converting your data range into a table. Click on the More options in your toolbar and select the option Convert to Table. This feature will turn your range into a more formal table setting, potentially offering filters and more refined sorting options, depending on your needs. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've formatted your Google Sheet to be both functional and visually appealing. These formatting tools help make your data stand out and facilitate better communication of your information. Thank you for joining today, and have fun exploring more features within Google Sheets.